If you're looking to build sales funnels without learning how to code, ClickFunnels is one of the most popular platforms available. Whether you're selling products, online courses, coaching services, or collecting leads, ClickFunnels makes it easy to create high-converting landing pages and automated sales funnels. In this beginner's tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with ClickFunnels in 2026. Let's begin. The first step is creating your ClickFunnels account. Simply visit the official website, sign up, and choose the plan that best fits your needs. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, where you can manage your funnels, contacts, products, and analytics from one place. To create your first funnel, click Create Funnel. ClickFunnels will ask what your goal is. You can generate leads, sell products, book appointments, host webinars, or build a custom funnel from scratch. Beginners will usually find it easiest to start with one of the pre-built templates. After selecting a template, you can begin editing your pages. The drag and drop editor allows you to customize headlines, images, videos, buttons, forms, colors, and layouts without writing a single line of code. Simply click on any element to edit it and see your changes instantly. Next, customize your landing page. Write a clear headline, explain the value of your product or service, add high-quality images or videos, and include a strong call to action button. The goal is to make it easy for visitors to understand what you're offering and encourage them to take action. If you're collecting leads, you'll also want to add an opt-in form. This allows visitors to enter their name and email address in exchange for something valuable, such as a free guide, discount, checklist, or webinar registration. You can then connect the form to your favorite email marketing platform or use ClickFunnels' built-in marketing tools. If you're selling a product, the next step is setting up payments. ClickFunnels integrates with popular payment providers like Stripe and PayPal, allowing customers to complete purchases securely. You can also create order bumps, upsells, downsells, and thank you pages to increase your average order value. Automation is another major advantage. You can create email sequences, follow-up campaigns, and automated workflows that nurture leads even while you're away from your computer. This helps turn visitors into paying customers without requiring constant manual work. Before publishing your funnel, always test every step. Check that your buttons work, forms collect information correctly, payment processing functions properly, and every page displays well on both desktop and mobile devices. A few minutes of testing can prevent lost sales later. Once everything looks good, click Publish, share your funnel link, and start driving traffic through social media, email marketing, paid advertising, or search engines. As visitors interact with your funnel, ClickFunnels provides built-in analytics so you can monitor conversions and improve performance over time. That's all there is to it. ClickFunnels makes it possible for beginners to create professional sales funnels without technical experience. As you become more familiar with the platform, you can build more advanced funnels using automation, membership areas, A/B testing, and detailed customer journeys. If you're serious about growing an online business, ClickFunnels remains one of the best funnel building platforms available in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, letting us know what you'd like to learn next.